It's Big Kenny.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm back again with another hair tutorial, and this is a quick tutorial on how to do an up to how to do a high ponytail up do. What do I call it? Yeah, so an easy hairstyle you can just do anytime you are late for an appointment or something, something natural and all that. So I'm just going ahead to lose my braids, and yeah, so I'll be applying my activating hair oil. Yeah, let me put it that way, and then I'll just comb through my hair like so.
People, but when they finish their games and bypass my gates, I knew that was true, but someone invisible wasn't.
So guys, as you guys can see, my hair is growing. Yeah, it's getting longer by the day, which I'm very happy. So now I will be using my what is it called? Yeah, build bar. Yeah, I'll be using my build bar edge wax, yes, to slick down my hair. I won't be applying any gel to my hair for this style, because this helps. It's a hair wax cream. It's a waxing cream which works like gel, but better than gel, because it adds moisture to your hair. It helps moisturize your hair. Yes. So now I'm just combing, using my brush to brush my hair, making sure that the products are entered, or how do I say it? At this point I'm using my beard brush, or some people call it brittle brush. I think mine is not a brittle brush actually, because it's not as hard as brittle brush. Yeah, so yeah, as you can see, my hair is well slicked. Yeah, so at this point I will be needing a hairband. I'll be cutting off my hairband, yes, in order to be able to slick all my hair upward, as you see me do.
Cause that's the law of karma. So many get in the heart of fake people. They don't have a heart, just like Illuminati. Haters please, haters please, don't come closer. Cause
if you understand what I'm saying, guys, with this your hair will be well slicked, since we are not adding too much products like gel and all that. So yeah, like I said, it's a very simple hairstyle that you can just do within 5 to 10 minutes. Yeah, so I'll just go ahead to use my bobby pins to pin down the hairband, because it keeps rolling up. I don't know how to say that. It slicks all through to, I don't know, but you guys understand what I mean. So I just went ahead to pin down the band with some bobby pins. Voila, this is where we get everything much more cuter. Yes. So now I just went ahead to put on my ponytail. Yeah, this is a crochet ponytail I did I think some time ago. Yeah,
he lives in me, but the devil's trying to take me down right now. Damn it, what?
just you jot the strings in order to secure it properly, and after that I will just tuck in the strings just to hide that. up. And now I will just go ahead and slick down my edges. As you guys know, I'm not good at slicking down edges, which I'm trying so hard to learn. Number one, I don't have much edges. How do I call it? I don't have much baby hair, so slicking my edges is always a big task, which I like it when I see people slick down their edges and it's cute, but for me it's always a big task. I try so hard to learn. This is all I can do. Wow. So guys, this is how it looks like, and which I like it so much. It's so cute, you know. See how sleek the back is. No gel guys. I didn't add any gel, just my edge wax, my hair wax, yeah, or wax cream. Yes, let me put it that way. Everything is looking nice and sleek. Believe me, I didn't put in much effort in this style. It's so easy, like simple, very, very simple. Just playing around with my hair to get used to it, for it to get used to my face, or how do I say it? Yeah, as if you can see, it's really looking nice and cute. I love it. Nothing much. I didn't add anything else, just like so simple. As you can see, I'm feeling myself. Let's dance, girls. For me, I'm really not I'm really not a good dancer. I don't know, but just having fun anyway. Thanks for watching, guys. I believe you will enjoy watching this video. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also share, comments. If you haven't subscribed, don't forget to do so. Yeah, let's keep dancing. You are welcome to the party, guys.
And he lives in me. Jesus stays in me. He lives in me. But the devil's trying to take me down right now. Jesus lives in me. He lives in you. He lives in me, and he lives in me. Jesus stays in me. He lives in me. But the devil's trying to take me down right now. Special thanks to God.
So finally, we have come to the end of our video. Once again, it's me. It's me, really amazing. I'm so happy. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you are seeing me for the first time, this is really amazing. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. And also, if you enjoy watching this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and leave a comment at the comment section below. I love you guys. Thanks for your time on this. As you can see, the hair is beautiful, you know. It's really gorgeous and simple, you know. A hairstyle you can just like at that dying moment, you know, that dying minute, you know, when you have an appointment and you don't have all the time to like, or like, you know, to do something that to take you so much, or do a hairstyle or something, and you don't want to put on a wig, you can just like do it. It's not gonna take you that much time. Thank you very much. I have nothing else to say than to say thank you, and also thanks for your support. May God bless you all. Bye, and see you in my next video.
But someone invisible was in me, right here with me, by my side. Yeah, Jesus lives.